If you're curious about the just released Vogent AI software and want to know the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in, you've come to the right place. Stick around, because I'm about to break it down, and trust me, you won't want to miss the last point. It could change the way you approach AI software entirely. And by the way, you can try Vogent AI for free by clicking the first link below. Now, let's get into it. Vogent AI is one of the most talked about tools in the digital marketing space right now, and for good reason. This software combines cutting-edge technology with ease of use, making it ideal for both beginners and experts in AI-driven marketing. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketer looking to streamline your processes, Vogent AI promises a lot, and it delivers. First up, Vogent AI is designed to simplify your workflow. What makes it stand out is its intuitive interface, which is perfect for those who are new to AI but want to start using it effectively. You won't have to waste time figuring out complicated setups or configurations. Everything is designed to be user-friendly. Another key feature is its powerful automation capabilities. With Vogent AI, you can automate tasks like content creation, customer engagement, and lead generation. This means you can save a ton of time while keeping your marketing efforts consistent. You just set it up, and Vogent AI handles the rest. This level of automation is a game changer for digital marketing, especially for those who have limited time but need to scale fast. What really sets Vogent AI apart, though, is its data-driven insights. The software analyzes massive amounts of data to help you make more informed decisions. Whether you're looking to improve your ad campaigns or fine-tune your content strategy, Vogent AI gives you actionable insights that drive real results. And these aren't just surface-level stats. They're deep analytical insights that can guide your strategy moving forward. But what about customization? Vogent AI excels in this area. While many AI tools can be rigid, Vogent allows for flexibility. You can tweak its settings to match your specific needs, making it highly adaptable for different types of businesses and marketing campaigns. This level of personalization is not always available with other software, which makes Vogent AI an attractive option for those who need more control over their marketing automation. Speaking of control, Vogent AI's security features are top-notch. It takes data privacy seriously, which is a crucial consideration in today's environment. If you're handling sensitive customer data, you can rest easy knowing Vogent AI uses state-of-the-art encryption to keep everything secure. Now, here's something you might not expect. Vogent AI also provides excellent customer support. Many AI platforms tend to leave users hanging with minimal help, but Vogent AI makes sure there's a strong support system in place. Whether you're troubleshooting or looking for guidance, their team is responsive and ready to assist. Finally, if you've been wondering whether Vogent AI is worth the investment, the answer is yes, especially if you're looking for a tool that can scale with your business as you grow. Its pricing is competitive, and considering what you get in terms of automation, customization, and insights, it's more than reasonable. Before I wrap this up, remember that you can try Vogent AI for free by clicking the first link in the description. And after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've narrowed down my top recommendations, ones that I trust to boost productivity and efficiency. You'll find those in the description too. If you're serious about stepping up your digital marketing game, Vogent AI is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the free trials and dive in today to see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.